welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna assemble my daughter's new changing table. I think it's called the Delta changing table or something like that, but I got it from Walmart. I also got a new changing pad. I forgot the names of those two, but I will definitely link them down below in my description in case you guys are interested in buying one too. So I wanted to do this video with you guys because not only I wanted to show you guys the video of how I assemble my daughter's changing table, but I also wanted you guys to see if it's hard or if it's easy. I mean, I'm really good at putting things together, but I also wanted to show you guys and so you guys can see it from yourself if it's easy to put together by yourself or not. So anyways, right here is the picture of how Giselle's crib used to look like before, and so that crib had the changing pad attached to it, but I actually sold it because Giselle is just not sleeping in there anymore. Like, I mean, she never slept in it. She would just maybe take her naps here and there, but like her naps would like only be 30 minutes. When if I put her in my bed or if I put her in the dock-a-tot on the couch, she would sleep for like 2 hours sometimes, like an hour and a half to 2 hours, sometimes even 3. I thought the crib was just a waste of like space in this room, so that's why I sold it. But then I was like, oh my god, I don't have a changing mat anymore, so I just bought one on Walmart. It was really cheap. I think it was like less than $100, and then the changing mat was like, I think it was $29 or something like that. But again, I will link everything down below. So you can see my box right here in the back. And so we are gonna get started very shortly. I just wanted to also tell everyone who's been watching my videos, thank you so much. I'm really happy that I can also help a lot of you guys. Yet alone, being a parent is just very hard, and so I feel like helping each other out is my #1 goal. I just really want to help everyone as much as possible. I just love to help, and that's just something that I just felt like it was meant for me to do for my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna start unboxing this huge box behind me, and I'm also gonna start assembling it. So what I have is this box right here. I bought this at IKEA. Oh, it says right here. It says IKEA right here. So yeah, I mean, I'm just gonna have this just in case I need it. I'm sure I will, especially these guys right here. Oh, and I might need a pair of scissors because I have to open this box up, and there's probably a bunch of things in there, so I might have to cut some stuff, who knows. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in watching this video of how to assemble a baby changing table, then just keep watching.
I'm hanging I'm hypnotized by you.
Alright guys, so that is it. I am finally done. I put everything together and I'm so excited to show you guys the result. So I just want to show you guys my hands. They are super red and super swollen because, you know, when you do things like that, like putting furniture together and stuff, like it hurts your fingers, your hands, because, you know, you're dealing with a lot of strength and metals and stuff like that. But anyways, it's okay, we'll go down. Whatever, but I'm so excited. I finally put it together. You will see in the video that I messed up like maybe 2 or 3 times and I had to detach some parts and then put them back on, but it's okay. I finally made it and I'm super happy and I didn't need any help. I'm super proud of myself. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you ever had to build your own changing table, let me know down below in the comments. That's it for today's video, and I'm gonna show you guys right now the results, and I hope you guys like it. See you next time.